What's happening YouTube with Tech TRX, back in another video, and today we're looking at the Himiway Cruiser, the fat tire e-bike. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you could be notified of next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what the Himiway Cruiser can do. Here we go. Basically, the Himiway Cruiser is the one cruiser for all terrains. Himiway Cruiser perfectly combines the unparalleled adaptability to complex cycling conditions with exceptional comfort. It also has 60 miles single range per charge, and reliable gradability can be guaranteed with 840 watt-hour Samsung battery capacity and 500 watt motor power. Its 26 inches fat tire provides tremendous grip and mechanical stability. It also has a weight capacity of 350 pounds, which is good for most people. Also, you can load it up as well with gears and maybe equipment if you're going fishing or camping. There's no doubt that Himiway Cruiser is the most professional and cost-effective all-terrain fat tire electric bike in North America. I'm really impressed as well on how they packaged this. It comes in a box fairly small. I fit it in my Mazda 3. Once you take it out of the box, really the only thing that you would install is the front tire, and the rest is pretty much assembled. One thing I would like to notice though, the instructions is not so clear. There's less pictures than what it needs to be. I think more pictures the better, but the description there on the instructions is fairly well, so it helped me a lot when I was assembling the bike. As you can see, most of it is pre-assembled already, except for like a few things like the front tire and maybe the fender. If you want to add that, you don't have to absolutely have that. Everything is really well packaged as well. As you could see here, it comes with tools as well. A great addition by Himiway. And then the pedals, and that's really it. Everything is labeled properly as well, so you won't mess up the pedals. For example, here are the instruction manual and also the battery charger. For those of you who are using it during the night, it comes with a headlight as well. It also comes with brake lights, and the wheels are reflective, so everyone will see you while you're riding at night. Here's another close look of the tools that came with the Himiway. As you could see there, it even has sockets, wrenches, and different Allen keys as well. So first step is to take off the nuts and bolts here because we're going to install the handlebars. You do have to take it off all the way though. Once it's good to go, you just tighten up the bolts as well. Make sure that it's really tight so it doesn't move. Next up is to install the front tires. It's held on by a rod that has a nut on the side. So you're just going to tighten the nut on one side so that it's tight enough so that you can pull the lever down, and that'll tighten it even more and lock it in place. Now that it's all done, let's install the fender on the front and also the headlamp. You're just going to use the wrench on the tool that provided by Himiway and tighten it like this. The top of the fender is bolted down as well with the headlamp, one long bolt like this and then a nut on the other side. Now the chair or the seat is really nice as well. It's by Pro Max there. Pretty much it is pressure tightened on the one side right here, and then the top you can loosen the bolts so that you can adjust it for frontwards or backwards. The pedals are clearly labeled as well, so you won't mess it up. Left goes to the left and right goes to right, and then you just tighten it with one of the wrenches. I used a 15mm wrench for this one. So the battery is locked as well. It comes with two keys so that you can unlock the battery and then charge it separately, so you can buy more batteries as well. If you're on the go and you need more range, you can swap it whenever you want. Put it in a backpack or put it on the back of the Himiway and have multiple swaps. There's a compartment on the side, just a little rubber thing to protect it to charge the battery. Now, this is the charger that came in the box. Get information. It takes a bit of time though to charge it. It also has a battery indicator up top. By just pressing one button, you'll be able to see how much battery you have still. While you're riding, it has information as well about what's going on during your ride, the battery, and also the mileage there. For safety purposes, it also has a bell. It also has the controller, the plus and minus button to increase the speed. There's also the headlamp and the information to change the screen information that you want, and then the on and off button. The headlamp is a great addition as well, as you could see here. Talk about lights, the back also has brake lights. The front also has great suspension, and you can change how much it bounces, which is really good. Of course, you can pedal and you can change the gear as well by doing this all in one side as well, which is really easy and handy to change your gears. The throttle is nice as well. It kind of reminds me of a motorbike. Now, because it is a fast bike, as you can see here, they have brakes, has big brakes and really nice rotors as well. Now, spoiler alert, I do love this bike. The bike is amazing on many different terrains. I tried it on grass, on gravel, on cement, and wherever I go, it does really well. There's even uphill or downhill, it does really well. It was able to climb high. I weigh about 250 pounds, so this bike is working really well. Even on bumpy roads like the grass here, the suspension works really well as well, and it doesn't hurt my butt when I'm riding on this. Whatever terrain it is, it's very comfortable to ride on. Now for slow moving, it actually balanced really well. As you can see here, I'm doing really slow ride on cement, on asphalt, and it did really well. It turns really well as well. The maneuvering and the control is really easy to do. You don't have to be scared of sliding down or hard turns. It does really well. Now the top speed on the Himiway cruiser is up to 20 miles per hour, and it's good up to 60 miles range, and I've been using it for about a month or so now, and I haven't even charged yet, which is really awesome. The actual battery capacity is 840 watt hour, Samsung or LG battery as well, which is one of the best batteries out there. It says that it's 48 volt, 17.5 amp hour batteries. For those of you who are wanting to buy these, it is 2200 Canadian, which is a bit pricey, but if you're looking for bikes can go up to like $5,000 for mountain biking and whatnot. This is an e-bike as well, so this is a fair price, fairly cheap as well compared to those bikes, so definitely recommended to get. Overall design though, I think the Himiway Cruiser is one of the best bikes out there. I would recommend this for people who want to use this long range and also want to use it for different types of terrains. This is really good for that. Thanks for watching everyone. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.